In the next effect, what I'm doing is putting my hand like that and going to another place. How do I do that? Let's see. You can move to another place. This is video 1. For instance, to the garden and come back to my classroom. Okay, so what do I do here? I come here, I put the hand. And when it gets dark, as soon as it gets dark, I split. If I add here a transition, fade to black, it's gonna be more clear because it's gonna pass not pink from the skin, but black. And then it opens up. This, I get more space in the clip. So now I'm gonna cut right here. Cut there, because then I'm gonna go back to the class. And this is how it's gonna look like. Let's see. You can move to another place. For instance, to the garden and come back to my classroom. Okay, so I delete this one. Okay, I'm gonna add the next clip, that is this one. So once again, what I need to do is, as soon as I have this black, split. I'm gonna put here again the transition fade to black, and this is how it looks like, the whole set. You can move to another place. For instance, to the garden and come back to my classroom. Here I am. I can disappear